Yeah. Been a while since I took a walk down through here. 2 days video of walking down here. We're here down here in the hot spot of General Luna. I don't know where Lut is. You know, they had the parking police. Don't park here. You can't park here. Now they got some signs up. No parking here. All right. Looks like all the bikes are pulled in off the street. Signs say no parking. Okay. Oh, wait. I thought maybe that was like city parking. You know, they provide parking for people when they come here. But nope. Nope. Don't park here. Don't park here. The parking police are going to get you. Parvadas is empty. Oh, there's Lit. Like I said, I'm just going to watch. It may be around noon, something like that. So, of course, a lot of things aren't busy as they would be in the evening. Well, you guys can see it. I'm just walking down here to see what's new, what's not new. You know what I said to Lut? I said, I've been here over a year and I have not bought a single siargao t-shirt, souvenir t-shirt. Lut has, but I haven't. Ah, man. It is a warm one out today. But it's better than the rain, right? Look, better than rain. Walk in the shade here. So everybody used to park all over the street here. So now you got a truck parked here. Well, the parking police aren't going to throw a truck up on their little tow-away vehicle. We've eaten here. These is good. Street tacos. The other place is closed. Good little place right there. Coffee. We had coffee there when it first opened. Coffee gelato. Get a watch. Some of these places, they'll charge you an arm and a leg for simple coffee. I ain't kidding. I think I'm kidding when I tell you, you come to siargao Island, bring plenty of money. Don't hope and don't bank on the ATMs being full or being up and running. Just letting you know. Letting you know what to expect. And if you're here on vacation, yeah. No, thank you, my friend. I'll always stop and want you to catch a ride, which is all right. Siargao Corner Cafe. We haven't eaten in there in a while. It's been quite a while. Parking at the back of the cafe. So they're offering parking in the back. These roads right through here are always full of motorbikes parked. Good and bad. Bad being you gotta walk on the road. No room to walk. Now it is nice. It is nice there's no bikes parked all over here. You know what? Let can actually walk without having to worry about getting rolled up by a bike behind you. I know I'm walking. I should be walking on the other side. Everybody yell at me. You're walking on the wrong side, Philly. Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Some of these are new here, huh? New construction going on here. Boy, that's big and deep. Be a restaurant? Commercial building with loft. Name of project, Lost in Siargao Corporation. They always post it. Date issued. They always post signs where you see construction, what's going on, what they're putting in there. Here we're looking at some stinkfoot here. So you got to walk out in the street. When it does rain, it does get rather stinkfooty through here. Bugnaw. Summertime ice cream. Buy one, get one free pizza. A lot of times you come through there, A lot of these places are empty. A lot of these restaurants. Let me get past the music. This place is vegan in here. I think it's vegan. Unless they changed hands. Even here, there used to be a lot of people just sitting out. Plastar Pizza, Stinkfoot, Olive, siargao, no parking. Some graffiti, well, that's painting there, looks nice. Big Mama's Coffee, Smoothie, Brunch, Surf Shop, Art Jams, Laundry. Travel tour, small but spicy, little meals in there. El Lobo nightclub, awesome club to go to. I enjoy going there. I like the music. They mix it up. It's good. I am going to basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to shoot across the street and walk the other side. And I'm going to walk. Shooting across the street, wherever she is. I don't know where she is. She's probably hanging out in the shade somewhere. All right, let's get going. Here we got something being done here. Sure got Book Cafe, construction. There's something going on in there, some kind of construction. Guess we'll see what's going on there. There's just a lot of construction going on here. I know they, oh, there she is up there. I know they stopped one company that was building. Here's the Siargao Beach Club, famous club. Good time in there also. They had stopped one company that was building a resort, my friend. They were, let's be honest, the beach line here is not the greatest. It is not the greatest. Now you get up north, beach line's beautiful. There's some really, really nice spots up north. But down through here, it's not that great. It's stony, it's rocky, seagrass. Well, they start building these resorts, and of course, they want to have the nicest beach line. They want to modify the front of the resort in the beach area so they can say, oh, we got the nicest, sandiest beach resort here. Well, what they were doing is they were destroying the rocks in front of the club, in front of the resort, which is illegal. They're not allowed to do it. The Department of Environmental definitely, no, it's not happening. Well, they got caught. They got caught, so they stopped the construction of the resort. Now, whether it's up and running again or not, I couldn't tell you. And of course, oh, nobody knows who did it. Oh, this guy did it. Well, a worker's not going to do it unless he's told by, good morning, unless he's told by the owner of a resort or the one that's in charge of the resort to do it. But yeah, Lut's hiding in the shade. We'll get something to drink, Lut. All right? You want to stop? Grab something to drink. Yeah, she's thirsty. I'm thirsty too. This is no. Surf Boutique. That's no. This here is no. But they do keep an eye on these resorts as they're going up. Make sure they're not doing things like that. You're not allowed to destroy the rocks and the coral and all that just so you could say you have the prettiest beach line resort here in Siargao Island. There is not many good beach lawn resorts in General Luna here. It just isn't. It's a fact. I'm gonna keep walking.
Okay.
I know what she's doing. I keep telling her to stop and get something to drink, and I don't know if she's stubborn or she's getting heat headache. I don't know. Oh, what happened to my little shop right here? My little shop here. Is that it? They tear my little shop down. I think they did. Yeah. Hang on a second. What happened to the little store? The little shop, what happened? Gone?
Renovate.
Oh, they're renovating. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. They're renovating. They're doing a big job in there too. That's a cool little place in there. They'll be up and running. Hey! They'll be up and running because they're renovating. I'm just gonna walk down here and then. Oh, she's over there. Okay, I'll be back. Chef Marquis, the best burgers on the island, right back in there. I think they just had their 1-year anniversary. Free entry plus buy one, get one. Bar and kitchen. I think that's no. I think so. This seafood and grill place here, I was up there. Live seafood. This place gets hopping in the evening. Well, at least it used to get hopping. Don't know what it's like nowadays. Morning. Right down here is where we started our little walk. This place open, but it's closed. Don't know if it's closed permanently, but I think it's one of those where you get your food, take a picture of your food, and pay for your food all at the same time. Kind of like this place, Curvada. Go in there, get your food, take a picture of it, and then you take the picture up and you pay for it. This place has good burgers right here. I had a good burger in here one time, Fantasia. I think they're still open. Don't know. Couldn't tell you, but they cook the burgers right out of there. I don't know. Anyways, there is our little walk, our little talk. That's what's going on. The General Luna area where the tourists like to hang out. Of course, evening, it's a little busier, but it's warm, and that's a wrap.